G'day everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. And today it's just going to be a fairly simple project. It's going to be a spade and hook that I made a while back. And also, just before you get into this video, my friend Kenny over at Metalman Productions has recently had his channel hacked and he's had to restart a whole new fresh channel. So if you're subscribed to him before or you aren't subscribed to him, I'd please urge you to go over to his channel. I'll link it in the description, Metalman Productions Inc. Check him out. He does some really great blacksmithing stuff and some really great videos. See you in there. There you have it guys, just a simple spade and hook. It's not the cleanest forging, but I think the general gist of it was there and pretty evident. Please leave it down in the comments any feedback that you could give on improving that, or anything that you think I might want to forge down the road. Thanks for watching, have a good one, stay safe.